I'm going to present water meter digit recognition. It is crucial to have a mechanism to monitor the natural consumable resources such as electricity, water and gas usages to have significant savings for your household and avoid larger bills. So Tessolve's water meter demo kit monitors the water meter digits and maintain the water consumptions values on an hourly, daily, weekly and monthly basis, which allows users to efficiently use the water. So Tessolve's water meter is an AI-based use cases to recognize the digits on the water meter through a pre-trained AI model. So the water meter demo kit details. This is equipped with ARM Cortex M4 microcontroller. The water meter demo kit is equipped with wireless IoT, which allows the users can send the data to DashKit using either Azure, AWS and MQTT protocol. And ready to go software package Linux optimized BSP. Customers applications and software packages can be offered on request. Now let's see water meter demo kit operation. So once the model is ready, we can flash the model into the demo kit. So once the demo kit is powered with a 5-volt standard power supply, the model has been flashed successfully. Then the AI model predicts the corresponding digits and then sends the information to the dashboard using wireless IoT. A water meter is running, a camera is fixed and our device is connected with the camera, and here our gateway is also connected with our cloud. So now as you can see, our dashboard is representing the values which is reading from the camera, like so you can see 008263 and as the same value is representing here. And now you can see the values change to 008264. And our dashboard also receiving that through LoRa gateway. Thank you.